Yo, what's up? So welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, well, welcome. So today's video,
What the fuck?
it's not actually unboxing. No, actually it's an unboxing video, but it's not gonna be a detailed review video. I just wanted to share you my experience with a certain product. Wait. See, I got here a box from Elgato. This is the, what do you call it? The mic arm. I actually got it last month, but I had to return it to them because there's some problem with the product, and I told Elgato about it, and they were cool to give me a replacement. So it came today, and I just wanted to share you guys my, my experience, or how you say it, because I'm so happy getting this back. Yeah, so this video's maybe, yeah, no commentary video, just pure video. Maybe I drop some music to set the mood. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Ooh. Okay, so they actually replaced the whole thing, because I got a little ding somewhere right here on my old ones. Nice. I thought they were just gonna replace the broken parts, but they actually gave me a whole new set. Yep. There's a little bit of dust, but no big deal. I'll just hope it won't mark. Yeah, see, it's kinda dusty. Probably under warehouse for a long time. Well, that's no big deal. There's extensions. Yeah, let's get this out of the way. So yeah, that's it. So this part right here is this is the one that got broken the first time I was unboxing it, so I had to send it back. Well, I know it's an accident, but they're still cool to replace it. Okay, and that's it.